Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to calculate discount percentage in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly select the cells where you want to get discount. So after this here you can see home option, so just click on it. So in home options you can see number box. So in number box here you can see percentage symbol, so just click on it. So after this write the formula for calculating the discount percentage. So write A is equal and then write 1 and minus and then divide discounted price to original price. So after this use a slash for dividing and then write a original price and press enter button. So you can see discount percentage is calculated. So guys, in this way you can calculate discount percentage in Excel very easily. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.